will be on the test. Kennedy is selling chocolate candy to raise chocolate bars to raise money for a club. She finds that 2 out of every 9 chocolate bars are sold are almonds. Okay, so 2 out of 9. So y equals to 2 over 9. X, that's the rate of change, 2 out of 9 rate. Create a table of values before you graph. Okay, let's use the numbers that are given here. So, I would use numbers that go into 9, 90, and 180, and 0. Those 3. Multiple of 9, so we can cross cancel. When you choose numbers, choose smart numbers. The denominator is 9. I think we should have done always choose 0, 0, of course, because if x is 0, if x is 0 here, I think we did a little bit of it. Y is, you multiply it, you get 0. Okay. Oh. 2 over 9x, right? Okay. Times another one I said to choose is 90. Cross cancel. That's 20. So 90 and 20. And another number I said to choose is 180. Cross cancel. 20. So 180 makes sense. Look, it's 40. Okay, so 0, 0. 90 is 20. And 180 is 40. There goes my nice graph. Making a table. Choosing numbers that work. Alex measured the height of 2 different plants at the end of each week. Each plant grew at a constant rate of for 15 weeks. The table shows the height of each plant in millimeters. Why is plant 1 again? It should say plant 1 and plant 2, huh? I think the book's error. Determine which plant grew the least per week. Okay. It's a constant rate, so it should be the same. So find which one grew the least. The height, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Who grew at the slowest rate? So 12.8 minus 6.4 over 4 minus 2. That's plant number 1. And we got 6.2? 6.4. Yeah, 6.4. Over 2, which is, I'll do the answer at the bottom. The rate for the is 3.2 each week. 3.2 what? Millimeter per week. Okay, plant number 2. Do it in red. Same thing. We'll find out which is the least. You find out in which answer which grew the least, okay? Does either plant start at a height other than 0? Okay, let's find a height where it starts at for each plant. Plant number 1, that's the Y-intercept. Okay, the Y-intercept is where the plants start. Like me, we go to Home Depot, buy a plant, put it in our garden, right? We don't use seeds. Which one starts from? Seedlings. Okay, when the height is 0, it's not there. So we'll use y equals to mx plus b for plant number 1. Y equals to m, which is 3.2. Oh, and y is, I can change that y to 6.4 times x which is 2 plus b. Oh, this one starts at 0. Look at that. Equals to 0. 0 equals to 0 plus b is b. So yes, plant number 1 starts as seedlings. Explain your reasoning. Okay. Plant 1. We'll say this is plant 2, okay, guys? Starts at height 0. Because 0, 0. Period. I don't explain it fancy like the book. That'd be fine. You do that on a test, perfect. And find this other one if it starts at 0, 0. 0 something means it does not start at 0, okay? I'll let you do number 2. Show the work up here. Explain down here. Use slope and y-intercept to determine whether each pair of lines are parallel. Parallel lines, the slopes are the same. So, we need to find slope. Well, I'll start with the second one because that's the easy one of the two. By adding 3x, right? That gets you 0. Get y equals 1 plus 3x. There's no number to divide by y by, so we leave it. Okay, like that. So the slope here is, I'll just use m instead of slope. M equals to 3. Slope has to be the same and y-intercept different. So here, you distribute first. Add x. That's 0. So y is equal to this whole thing. So 3x minus 6. The whole thing, they're the same, add them together. Slope here is also 3. And the y-intercept is different. So it is definitely parallel. So on your test, I'm going to look for the slope of the lines. You solving the equation. Okay. And parallel. Okay, so you have that. You distribute first. Okay, look on your y side. Y side is this side. We need to get rid of the minus 4 first. So we add the 4. Oh no, add 4. We can add. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so we get 4x plus 8. Divide all of it by 2. Okay, y is equal to 2x plus 4. Okay. And then do this one and see if it's parallel or not. I'll let you do the last one. The only difference here is distributing. Okay, to get that, and then you have to get rid of this. Focus on the y side. Okay, on your test. Determine the rate of change in the graph. Explain what it means. Okay. All right. And then they want you to write an equation of each line in slope-intercept form, not point slope. All right. I will choose this one and that one. So it is down. The graph is going down. And over. So each one is 20. 20, 40, 60 down, 60 over 1, 2, 2. So slope is down 60 over 2. So slope is down 30 over 2. Down 30 feet every, oh no, over 1, not over 2 again. Down 30 feet every 1 second. Rate is negative 30, which means the person, it's going down. We're not sure if it's a person or not. It's going down 30 feet every second or per second. Okay, right in slope-intercept form. Oh, y equals negative 30x plus, we need to find b. B in this case is unknown, so I'm going to use these coordinates to help me. I'm going to use, find exactly what b is. 3, 160. Okay, so y equals to mx plus b, right? Y is 160 plus the slope, negative 30, times 3 plus b. So that's 160 equals to negative 90 plus b. I add 90, add 90, make 0 there, 150 equals to b. So, right, this is writing an equation is easy. Y equals to b is 0. We need to just find what slope is and what it means. Okay, so I'll use 0, 0 as one of them. And here. So 5 over 2. Up 5 over 2. Up 5 is 4 Oh, 5 cups of flour for every will make two loaves of bread. Five cups of flour will make 2 loaves of bread. We'll make 2 loaves. We don't know what loaves. Most likely bread. Consider the points. That, and that. Plot and create line segment A, B, and C, D. Okay. Plot it. 1, 1. 2, 4. Always find the bottom number first. Like 2, find it on the X. Go up to 4. Oops, wrong spot. That's like line segment A, B. A to B. And then C to D is 3, -1. And 5, 6. Okay, 5, 6 is up there. And that is C to D. Determine the slope of each segment. You know how to do that. Write in slope-intercept form for A, B. So you know how to find B. So find slope first, and then find the y-intercept. Y equals to mx plus b. You know how to find m. You know how to find b. Okay. You are to find slope and y-intercept for each one of these. I'll do C. C you saw for x. It's an undefined slope. It's undefined. So when you graph it, x, y, x is 5, right? Like that. That's an undefined slope. Oops. I wake up way before my alarm. Alright. And then I'll do D and I want you to do D on your own. Practice it. Or if you don't, you may not. You would -1/2 -1/2 x. Okay. You get 2y equals to 4 -1/2 x. You have to get rid of the 2 by dividing all of them by 2. And then this is y equals to 2 -1/2 divided by 2. You keep the first one, change, and flip, so that's 1/4x. So the slope is and the y-intercept or 0, 2. And that's that way. Well, this one, you don't have to do anything. You need to not just define slope and y-intercept. Okay. A ride-sharing company charge a pickup fee plus a charge per mile. Okay, so Gus paid this much for this many miles. It's the other way. Dollar is always Y, the other item is X. So 6.5 and $12. The other one is $9 and $15.50. Find the Y-intercept in coordinate form. So 0 something. And we know how to find the Y-intercept. And explain what it means. It's the Y-intercept is the pickup fee, not the mileage. How much they charge. Write an equation. You guys know how to do this. You find slope. Or it didn't say, you can just do point slope. But you have the Y-intercept already. You can do slope-intercept easily. Oh, here, point slope. Write an equation of a line using the given information. It didn't say what type of a line. So we'll use point and a slope. Y minus Y sub 1 equals to M parentheses X minus X sub 1. And if you don't remember this formula, you can always use slope-intercept by finding X sub 1, Y sub 1 by finding, so be careful here, Y-intercept, M which is negative 1, X minus X sub 1 is 2. That's your answer. Okay, C. Well, you guys, you know how to find slope and put it in one of them. Okay, any questions? Graph each one. Okay, now you know how to graph this. This I would use the cover method. This I would use point slope, Y minus Y1 equals to M parentheses X minus X1. Right? So, okay, number 10. Amanda works at a local coffee shop. One of the most popular items is a coffee with a coconut milk. There are 2 local vendors that will deliver coconut milk to the shop at the beginning of each month. Coconuts charges with a delivery fee of that. Okay, so cocoa nut equation is Y equals to 0.75x plus the delivery fee of $30. Okay, so here's cocoa. 70 cents, 75 cents per box plus delivery fee. Cocoa partner charges, they charge more. 82 cents. Oh, I'm sorry. Delivery fee of $20. That's the partner. So the partner is Y equals 82 cents plus the fee of $20. Okay. Well, find out how much 210 charges. Each box here is 75 cents, not $75. Added 30. Okay, fill in the table. Normally I would have you graph at those points, but just fill in the table. You use calculator. Show me what you're doing though. Just use, I know that you multiplied the cartons of milk times how many cartons it is, then add the delivery fee, and then give me the answer for your calculator. Same here for the partner. The partner charges 82 cents per box. This order was at 210 plus a delivery fee of $20. Okay, and then just give me the answer. Okay, let's C represent, oh, I already wrote an equation. Oh, let's C represent the cost of purchasing the boxes, and let B represents the number of boxes. So C equal instead of Y. 75 cents makes more sense per box, plus the $30 in delivery fee. Same thing here, Coco's partner. C is for the total cost of it all. 82 cents per box, plus a $20 delivery fee. That's it.